The heavy equipment program here at NCC is unique in that we actually go out and do real world jobs. Students get hands-on time with the equipment. We cover the maintenance as well as the operation of the equipment, and then we go into the estimating side of things.
I chose NCC because of the equipment they have here, the opportunities you got, the smaller community you're coming from, and you're always not running the same equipment. It's always something new, different.
I chose the heavy equipment program because I love being around big tractors and machines and farm equipment, and this is the closest thing to that.
Coming out from NCC with more heavy equipment operating and like time sitting in the machines, you're always like more comfortable when you come onto a machine. You're not just going to a job site freaking out, don't know what you're doing, swinging around, not paying attention, wrecking stuff. Maybe you hurt someone, you never know. So like having more time on them is like always helpful for a guy.
The class sizes, I like the class sizes. They're not too big, they're not too small. They have good instructors that know what they're talking about and that are willing to help you if you need help, and they're fun to be around.
For the first third, you're going to be about 70% in the classroom, and then once we go to the field that next summer, the next third is 100% outside, and then you finish up with about 50-50 for that last third.
After I graduate NCC, I'll go back home to my family, and we have an operation just like this, so I'll probably start running that and start owning it after for a while.
After graduation, I would like to work for an excavation company or a construction company around Northwest Iowa.
If you're interested in the heavy equipment program, give us a call, schedule a campus visit. We'd love to meet you, answer your questions, and yeah, hope to see you there.